Let's print the final value of x. There are even bigger programs than this, which can be much difficult to understand. To understand what is happening, we have to calculate it line by line or put a print statement in between each one of them. In such situations, we can use debugging to understand the code. Most of the IDEs comes with a debugger support by default. To activate it, we need to put a breakpoint first. We can do this by clicking on the left side of the number line, representing the line count. VS Code is showing it by a red dot. To remove a breakpoint, we can just press it again. Now go to the Run tab. Before running, we can check that it's showing our line number in the breakpoint panel. Press Run and Debug. Debug the currently active Python file. It will run our code in debug mode. While in debug mode, our controls are on the top center. Let's click the Step Over button. It will run only the current line, x equals 3. We can see all the active variables on the left hand side. After executing it, the next line, we can see that x is increased by 2. We can also write expressions in the watch window. It will evaluate them while debugging. Type of x is showing as int. Next line will decrease the x by 3. Then it will multiply by 5. After dividing 2, it is 5.0, since divide operator returns float value. After the last line, debug mode will end. Let's try to understand while loop in more details using the debug mode. We can put a breakpoint anywhere we want. We'll just start the debug mode. Our program just runs and asks for the number. As soon as we enter 4, it will hit our breakpoint and stop. We can see currently it's showing only n, which is 4. After running the current line, it is showing I as well. As 1 is less than 4, it will enter the loop and print the value of I. The I will be increased by 1. It will just keep going inside until I becomes 5. After that, it will print done and exit. Let's try to make condition a breakpoint. The continue button will keep our program running until it hits the next breakpoint, which will stop at the next condition check. We can also add or remove breakpoints while debugging our program. This video is part of a Python tutorial series. Click here to watch the full video and click here to watch the full course. Thanks for watching. See you next time.